Hey guys, Jeremy here from School of Wok Covent Garden. It is indeed Wok Wednesday once again, and this week is one of my favourite steamed dishes from my book Chinese Unchopped. It's chili bean. It's chili bean and garlic. It's chili bean and garlic ginger oil steamed fish. I'm actually going to steam this in our steam ovens thanks to our great friends Neff to show you how easy it can really be. This recipe, it really is very, very easy. So all we need is a little bit finely chopped spring onion. And there's a classic sort of side condiment almost in Chinese cooking that we have with steamed chicken or poached chicken. And that's seared ginger and spring onion oil. And this is essentially just a variation of that. Pop that straight into a bowl. It needs to be a heat-proof bowl because I'm going to sear this with really hot oil. Bit of garlic, 1 or 2 cloves. It's actually quite a big clove here, so that should do it. Make sure this is really finely chopped because it's just going to have sort of a light heat from that hot oil, but it won't be sort of fully cooked through. Now before I carry on with this oil, my steam oven's actually at a good temperature now. It's all on full 100% steam, so there's all that steam locked in the oven. The fish, I've got a bit of salmon here. You could use salmon, trout, whitefish, any type of fish you want, but it's good for a fillet of fish, this dish. So the idea is to literally put your fish onto a heat-proof bowl and straight into the steam. Traditionally, we would do this in a steam basket on top of a wok. Straight in. Oh, you can see how steamy that is. 8 minutes in steam, full steam, and that fillet of fish will be just perfectly cooked. So I'm just going to carry on with my ginger, garlic, and chili bean oil. And this sort of dish will go really well with just a bit of steamed rice on the side and some veg. And that's a really simple dinner. The type of dinner I actually quite like to eat quite regularly at home. Finally chop your ginger. Add that to your spring onion and garlic mix. The rest is really easy. I've got some chili bean sauce, which is essentially like a fermented broad bean and chili and garlic paste. A little bit of salt and sugar. The sugar's there just to balance out because the fermented chili bean sauce can be quite strong. Give that a good mix. At the moment it smells quite raw, so we're going to sear this with super hot oil. So what you want to do is you want to get your oil really smoking hot, and that high heat from the oil will almost instantly cook your chili bean, garlic, ginger and spring onion paste. And what it does is it really sort of brings out the essence of all those flavours, but without it sort of overcooking or browning too much. Once your wok is smoking hot, give it at least 10 seconds for it to really smoke up. And just before it catches fire, that's when you pour it over. That sizzling sound is exactly what you want to hear. Look at that steam. So from here, it's really easy. You just take that great chili, ginger, garlic oil over the fish. Spread it on generously, get some into the sauce as well. Now, if that isn't a 10-minute meal, what is? So that just 8 minutes of cooking should just perfectly cook the fish. It should just fall apart and flake. but still look like it's beautifully intact. So simple, with a bowl of rice, one of the best dinners you could have. If you like this recipe and you want to learn more, don't forget, guys, to you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel.